Hi, my name is Hannah, and today we have our US tax expert Derren. We also have our US real estate and legal expert Jay. We will be discussing US real estate forensic. Hai, nama saya Hannah. Hari ini kami memiliki pakar pajak Amerika Serikat kami Derren. Kami juga memiliki pakar real estate dan hukum Amerika Serikat kami Jay. Dan kami akan membahas forensik real estate Amerika Serikat.
This podcast channel is about you. Successful international entrepreneurs. Successful expats. Successful investors. Sponsored by HCJ.tax.
Hey, we're live. Hi, my name is Hannah, and I'm based in Indonesia. And I'm working in an international tax consultancy. And today we will talk about US real estate forensic, and this episode is about scam, real estate scam. So right now I'm here with two of our experts. So first of all, Derren, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Hi, thanks, Hannah. Hello, everybody. So we're continuing this series. My name is Derren Joseph, and I'm an international tax consultant with a team called Moores Rowland. And my specialty is international tax in general, but U.S. international in particular. Good to be here.
Jay, would you mind to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Jay Knight. Thanks very much for having me again. I am an international real estate investor, and I also am a real estate broker from California. So great to be here. Thank you.
Okay. So the next thing is number 7, which is offer to invest in your deal. Derren, do you have anything to say about this?
I've not seen that with projects because it doesn't apply to projects, but it definitely applies to courses. And right now, especially given the social distancing, lockdown, there are a lot of people spending time online. And as I look at YouTube videos, I lose count. There's just so many courses being pitched. And yeah, that is one of the hallmarks. And I think to some extent, it could be, I don't know what to make of it. It could be real in the sense that what they are then doing is using these viewers or these subscribers as scouts looking for opportunities. And if they see something that, I mean, most of it will be rubbish, but every once in a while you get a winner coming by. So it could be a win-win situation. So I don't necessarily think it's a hallmark or it's a red flag. But when it comes to courses, I could see it being something that works in favor of the promoter as opposed to the actual participant. Because chances are with courses tend to attract people who are lower income earners because, you know, they've maybe lost their job or, you know, they're hoping for something better. They're just getting by and they want more. And they may not be in a position to be entrepreneurial themselves, which is why they're paying for this course. And what sometimes happens, I've seen at least on one occasion, you create this, you know, the course promoter creates this team of scouts who brings deals to them. And the actual course participant may not be in a position to invest. So they've just introduced something that could be attractive and they get nothing for their effort, is the point I'm making. So again, I summarize, it's not necessarily, my perspective, my limited experience, it is not exactly a hallmark of a scam, but the way it's structured, the participant may not get anything out of it in return for their effort and money because they paid for a course as well.
I see. And do you have anything to add there, Jay?
Yeah, I mean, I think, again, this is just a very typical way to appease people to make them comfortable, right? If you tell someone, hey, you know, I'm going to invest, you do this, I'll invest in it with you. It gives you a comfort to know that, hey, here's an experienced real estate expert who is going to invest in my deal. Well, if he's a real estate expert and he's done lots of deals, he knows good deals from bad deals. So he's not going to allow me to invest in a deal that he's going to invest in that if it's a bad deal, right? So it's kind of like this way to make you feel secure about what you're going to do next with your money, right? So if you have, like, just like anything else, if someone is an expert in a field and they're telling you, hey, I'll invest in this thing with you, well, you're going to think, well, this guy, well, that's great for me, because now I'm getting all the experience and the knowledge and the expertise of this person. I'm just really piggybacking off of them, and they're going to help me make money, right? So that's really kind of the emotional game that they play with this. And so anytime you see someone say, yeah, come on in, don't worry, I'm going to invest in that same deal with you, we're going to do it, that is a red flag. In my mind, that's a red flag, because it's very rare that someone who has a lot of real estate experience, is very well versed in real estate, would ever really invest in a deal of someone that you're trying to recruit in to take their course. It doesn't really make any logical sense, because the gap between them and the other one is going to be so wide and so far that they don't really have any time to really invest in small deals like ones they're going to try to get these new recruits to do. If they're really a serious investor, they're looking at $1 million deals, and they're doing all kinds of different things. And to invest in a small deal for someone else is just unlikely. So not to say it's not possible, but I would say that if that is a selling point to a course or to a seminar or to something, I would look at that with a skeptical eye, because it's just not very likely to happen.
I see. Okay. Phew. Really, really blowing my mind.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming event are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.